Okay kids, so what we need to do is we have been given the expanded form of the number. We need to find the number from it. What we did in the last video was we were given the number and we had to find the expanded form, and this is other way around. So Bhaiya is going to show you something on screen, so Bhaiya will be doing it. Okay, you don't have to write anything right now. So I will do, okay, and the signal is red, which means you just have to look carefully at the screen, try to make sense out of the things. Okay, don't write anything. So let's start. How will you find the number? The first step is take the biggest number first, okay, which is 60,000. Now what is the next number after 60,000? It's 4,000. So how will you write 4,000 below 60,000? That must be your question. Will you write it like this, or if we have 60,000 you are going to write it like this? Pause the video for good 5 seconds and think how will you write. Okay, coming back. All those who thought we will be writing 4,000 like this have probably gone wrong somewhere, because we need to write it like this, and I will tell you of a reason why. Okay, so whenever you write the number, you actually start from your right, this is your right, and you move towards your left. Okay, and why do we do so? Because this is your units place, this is your tens place, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, right? So you always start writing numbers from your right and you go towards your left, right? That's why this is going to be the wrong method, right? So now we are going to correct it. I will clear everything first. Okay, you have 60,000. Now you will write 4,000. Okay, now again you have 600. You can't write 600 like this, right? Again it's going to be wrong. You are going to start from your right and then go towards left. So 0, 0, 6, right? Then you have 70 and then you have 9. What you are going to do is you just have to add all of these. Okay, so in the units place we will get 9, then we get 7, then we get 6, then we get 4, then we get 6 again. So the number is 64,679. Okay, again I would like you to pause for 2 seconds, analyze this. Okay, we will come back. Okay, so it was very easy to do, right? You first take the biggest number, you wrote it, after that the next number, and similarly, that is likewise, you start from your right and then you go towards your left. This is your right, then you go towards your left. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to do things together. Okay, your signal is green and we are going to start one question together. We are going to solve it. Okay, and once you're done with this video, you can go back and take note for the first one that I did. Okay, so now we are going to do together and the signal is green. Let's start. Okay, you are going to write the question with me together. The question is 9 lakh plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 5. Okay, what will you do first? You will start with the biggest number, which is 9 lakhs. Okay, we will write 9 lakhs. Great. Are you done writing? Okay, we will continue. Then we have 20,000. Okay, so 4 zeros and a 2. Okay, we are adding it. Then we have 7,000. You can write 7,000. Next you see is 800. You can write it. And the last is 5. You have written it. Okay, the next step is to just add. So units place, you are going to get a 5. Tens place 0, because everything is 0. Hundreds place 8 thousands place, 7 10 thousands place, 2, and then you have the place of lakh, that is 9. You got it right. So the number is 9,27,805. Okay, so this is something that we did together. How did we start? We took the biggest number and then we started putting other numbers. How did we align it? We started from the units place from our right and then we went to our left. Okay, again I want you to pause for 10 seconds, make sense out of the things. If you have any doubts, you can note it down, and always remember you're making the column for the rough work towards your right. Let's pause. Okay, coming back. Now the entire task is on you. Now you have learned the concept how to find the number from the expanded form. Now you need to do something. Okay, let's start. You do. Start writing in your notebook the following questions. Okay, at the end of the video, when you're done with the questions, you can revise back if you want to see the video, or you can start solving once you have written the questions. Okay, so start writing the questions. The signal is green. Okay, second question. This is 500. Okay, third question. Okay, these are the questions completed. You have another 1 minute to complete. You can actually pause the video and write the questions. Okay, coming back, your 1 minute is over. Points to be kept in mind while you solve it. Column for rough work. Okay, column for rough work to be there. Second, whenever you're adding the numbers, you go from your right towards your left. Always remember. Remember the place value table. Okay, so units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and likewise. And then you're sorted. Okay, bye.